muscle. A little bit there. So unflexed, flexed. Boom, 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 boom. Look, there's something there. There's something there. Thanks, Anub. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Getting my gains in my cute little skirt. That's what we do. Lovely. Thank you, Raja. Milk. Are you talking about my skin tone? Yeah, I'm pretty damn white. Eris mentioned. Eris Adam. Aw, Adam. If you wanted to be entertained, you should have came earlier. I was working out. Would you dare to cross paths again with a beautiful angel? Asfeel, you're so sweet. Adam, I ain't showing nothing outside of what is already shown. I am not a spicy channel. I'm gonna do a 360 for my cute outfit, but I ain't the spice. I'm just spicy. Thank you, Adam. Okay, see that's better. That's better. So cute. Give me your face. Really, you are a beautiful, pretty doll. Nice dressing. Thank you, Raja. If I tell you exercise, I'm sure you have great biceps, but you take it serious. Shanae, I just love roasting people. Like you egging me on, I'm egging you back. Like we're awesome. I love people that can roast each other. We're cool. We're good. Thanks for the motivation. Now I know I need to get some bigger muscles so I can shut you up. I know you got my back though, Adam. I'm just fucking with you. TikTok, welcome. Por la verdad. Trying to read out the titles of pop-up. How cute. Aw, thank you. Thank you. I am very cute. Yes, Chiungli. Dear what? You are smiling every time. I'm always smiling. Aw, Spheel. Yeah, I'm always smiling. I got something to smile about. Story behind my necklace. Actually, I've had this necklace for probably 10 years, maybe 13 years. It's a Betsy Johnson necklace. And there's actually supposed to be a mirror, like a handheld mirror, hanging off this ribbon. And it snapped off. I still have the mirror. It's just if I went to go find it, it would take forever and y'all will be bored. But yeah, I've had this necklace forever. It's one of my favorite pieces, even when the mirror snapped off. It's still really pretty. Yeah. Try and take it off. Yeah, it's one of my favorite pieces. I've had it for a long time. I've had it for a long time. Hey, Tinkerbell. I am not single, I have a boyfriend. It's cool. That's the thing, I like it without the mirror though. And I keep the mirror as like a reminder of that time and I might use it for a crafting project. So like I thought about putting it back together, but actually I'd like to do something more. I'm like 5'4", 5'5". I can never remember for sure. I am so gross right now because I worked out. So like these clothes were clean and now they're not. I feel nasty. Ew. Yes, okay. GM, I am good. How are you? Yes, my boyfriend is very lucky. I tell him all the time.